Hey yogis, welcome back to my channel. I'm Amber from the Desert Daydreamer, and today I've got a wonderful, relaxing flow for you for those times when life is feeling a little uncertain and you need to get out of your head. You might want one strap or maybe a belt for this class. Otherwise, go ahead and roll out your mat and we'll get started. All right, friends, we are going to begin seated at the back of the mat. Go ahead and bring your toes together. Open your knees as wide as is comfortable. Take a big inhale, reach up. Exhale, bring your hands down to the mat for a child's pose. Allow your forehead to kiss your mat. Inhaling through your nose. Exhale, let it go. Again, inhaling and exhale. Good. Pressing into your hands, round the spine up into a tabletop. Straighten out your knees if they were splayed out, and then continue to round through all the way into a cobra or an up dog, opening the chest. Arching the back, push back and sit back into your child's pose. Great. Again, round forward, come all the way forward. Lift the head, open the chest. Arch and press back, child's pose. Last time, rolling forward. And this time, coming back into a tabletop position. Shoulders above the wrists, hips right above the knees. Inhale, arch the back, lift the head and the tailbone. Exhale, rounding through the spine, gazing back towards your thighs. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Again, inhale. And exhale out. Now coming to a flat back, core is engaged. You're going to tuck your toes under. And from here, you're going to lift your knees just an inch or two off the mat. Holding here, pulling in your core. You've got this. A little burn. Great. Lift the hips up and back into your downward facing dog. And you might want to walk your hands forward just a little bit. Feel free to walk out your dog if that feels good here. Just moving your body in whatever way you need to. Stepping your feet a little closer together now. Inhale, lift the right leg back behind you. Exhale, bend the knee and step the right foot up in between your hands. Bring the left knee down to the mat. Come up to your fingertips, and when you're ready, lift up and reach up into your low lunge. The front knee is stacked right over the ankle, keeping your core engaged here. Exhale, hands come down to heart center. Inhale, elbows stay bent. Press the hands away from you. Exhale, reach the hands forward, slightly rounding through the spine. Look down. Inhale, hands come back to your heart. Press them away. Open your chest. Exhale, hands reach forward. Inhale, press the hands away. Exhale, reach forward, tucking your chin. Inhale, press, maybe sinking your hips down a little more. Exhale, reach. And on your next inhale, reach your hands up, finding that low lunge one more time. Bring the hands down to the mat, tuck your back toes, lift the knee, and step your front foot to meet the back. Holding this plank for just a few breaths, you've got it. Nice straight line from head to heels. Awesome. Lift the hips up and back, downward facing dog. You can walk it out for a moment if that feels good. Inhale, lift the left leg, bend the knee. Exhale, step it up in between your hands. Back knee comes down. Finding your center. Inhale, lift your arms up, low lunge. Taking a moment here. Exhale, bring your hands down to your heart. Inhale, press them away. Exhale, reach the arms forward. Inhale, open the chest. Keep going. Moving as fast or as slow as feels good, and finding fluidity in this motion. Reaching forward one more time, and this time reaching your arms up. Inhale. Exhale out. Hands come down to the mat, lift your back knee, and bring the front foot to meet the back. Again, holding that plank, pull in your core. And let's take it back, down dog. Awesome job. When you're ready, come down onto your knees. Make your way onto a seated position towards the front of your mat. Reach your arms in front of you and begin to slowly round down all the way down to your back. Once you're there, hug your knees into your chest. Maybe add a little rock side to side if that feels good. And then extend your legs up. Maybe giving your hamstrings a little massage. Holding onto the backs of your thighs. Go ahead and flex and point your feet a few times. Getting into those calf muscles. Moving at your own speed. Hug your knees into your chest one more time. Keeping the right leg hugged in, bring the left foot to your mat. Go ahead and grab onto that belt or strap and put it right in the arch of your right foot and extend the leg up. And just hold here, maybe pulling that foot a little closer towards your face. If you'd like a deeper stretch, then you can extend the left leg out. From here, holding onto the strap with your right hand, extend your left arm out and begin to open the right leg out to the side. You can also keep the right leg bent if the stretch is too intense with the legs straight. Awesome job breathing. And when you're ready, bring the leg back up to center. Bend it into your chest, and we're just going to reverse. So now you're putting the strap or the belt on your left leg, your left foot. Extend it up. And just gently pulling it in towards your face. Option to keep the right leg bent or to extend it out long. Now from here, extend your right arm out to the side and gently allow the left leg to fall open to the side. Don't be surprised if one side feels different than the other. That's totally fine. Slowly bringing the leg back up to center, bending it slightly, removing the strap, and then putting that off to the side. From here, bring your knees to a tabletop position, grabbing onto your thighs just below the knee, tucking your chin, gazing towards your navel. You're going to rock back slightly and then forward, holding up to your tailbone. Rock back and up. You want to try to hold before you rock back again. And it's really important here that you keep your gaze on your navel. Again, rocking back and up, this time holding that boat pose. For an added challenge, reach the hands forward. You've got this. Engage that core. Now stay with me here. You're just going to lower down an inch. Another inch. You've got it. You can see I'm shaking too. Another inch. One more. Last time. And then lower all the way down. Hug the knees into the chest again. Bringing them up to a tabletop again. Extend the arms out in opposition. And with control, allow both knees to fall over to the right. You can gaze up or you can gaze over to your left hand for a little bit of an added twist. Slowly, mindfully come back up to center, and let's take it to the other side. Coming back to center now. Bring your arms down by your sides and extend your legs down. Allow your feet to fall out to the sides of your mat. Palms are facing up. Close your eyes. Just resting here, feeling the mat beneath you. Inhale through your nose, exhale out. Resting with the knowledge that the only thing that's certain is uncertainty. But we can become one with the now when we accept what is, when we don't try to resist. When we make friends with the present moment and with whatever is happening in our lives, knowing that it serves a greater purpose. Beginning to invite some movement back into your body, maybe wiggling your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, you can reach your arms overhead, find a big full body stretch, and then rolling over to the right or the left, resting for just a moment in your fetal position. before pressing yourself up, keeping the eyes closed, making your way to a seated position. From here, inhale, reach your hands up, bring your palms together. Exhale, bring your hands down to your third eye chakra. And then bring the beautiful, positive, radiant energy that you've gathered in between your hands to your heart. Bowing down towards your hands, thanking yourself for taking time for yourself and for doing something amazing for your mind and body. It's been my honor to guide you. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I would love to see you around here more often. Bye.